Hey traders, Jason here with Day Train Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. So this is the weekly watch list for September 4th, 2022. We're going to go over S&P Emini futures, Nasdaq, crude oil, Bitcoin, Apple, a couple others. So make sure you guys watch through the end, and let's jump right into it. So last week, I said we were probably going to come down to this other trend line because what happened was we came down, hit the back of it, and then usually when you kind of fail from there, right, you take out this lower, making lower highs and lower lows, you're actually going to probably hit the other side of the trend line, which also landed right around the 1618. And then we kind of bounced right up to the 127. And now what? What do we do, right? Where is the next move? Well, right below we have the value area low on the market profile side, which will probably be a target, and our 200 is right below. I really like the 200 level. That's around the 38.25, 38.20 levels. And then we could probably see maybe a little bounce barring any news. The reason I say that is because today was an ugly day, right? But I just think there's going to be a little more selling. The market has to kind of sell off a little more. Let's remove a couple of these lines. Let's get rid of this. Let's kind of hide these two guys, right? And now we can have a little cleaner trend line, right? Or picture of what potentially can happen. And this is probably the new thing that I'll be watching, this new kind of area. I'm going to put this guy right about here. Okay, I'm just going to lean right up around these lows right here. So we come in this channel, X marks the spot, would take us right around to the 3800 level, 3820, somewhere around there. RSI is not oversold yet, so I think there's going to be a little more selling. I really didn't like Friday's price action sell-off late in the day, big reversal. We'll probably see this is probably a failed waterfall because what we had was a kind of a couple-day waterfall, broke to the upside and then reversed and closed well near the lows. It's probably can go a little farther, especially with this weekend is a holiday, right? Or Monday's a trading holiday. The futures are open, but we'll probably bounce around, and then Tuesday more selling. That's what I think will happen this week, and I'll be watching the 38 level. With that being said, make sure you guys check out my website, daytrainfearless.com, weekly trade zones where I give you support and resistance for the S&P E-mini futures, only $99 one-time payment, lifetime subscription, and you also get a 7-hour video course on how to draw trade zones and a couple other trading strategies I do. It's a limited time pricing, so make sure you guys sign up for it. And then also, let's take a look at the NQ. Okay, so the NQ, we kind of hit the 200, and look how great these fib levels are, right? Came right down to the 200 bounce. But let's do this. Let's get rid of everything on the NQ. Let's kind of clean up this entire chart. And for whatever reason, here we go. Okay, I would actually probably draw it from here to here. We're saying right on the 61. Watch this 75 level, the 11,718. Nasdaq is actually kind of weak, so just something to be aware of. and things like that. It's probably going to drag the market lower. Like I've told you guys for a long time, I don't think the lows are in yet. I think we still have one more low, and that will be coming in September or October probably. So we will see if I am correct on that. Let's take a look at crude oil. Kind of tried to bounce, failed. We're saying right here on the slower trend line, if we do break above, watch the waterfall right here, lower highs, right? If we break above this 90, we might go retest this 97. If we get back up above, we'll call it 98, I think oil's going all the way back up to the 120 levels to retest it. Just gonna throw that out there. Can go on the limb, but that's what I feel. I think as we get into winter, Europe's gonna have some major problems, and that is not gonna be good for oil. I think we're gonna have some problems coming in next couple months too here in the U.S. So we will see. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, lower highs, lower lows, bear flag, consolidation, another potential bear flag. Again, everything's lining up for a market drop. This does look bearish to me. Overall, it's just a slow grind to the lower levels of about 12,000 overall for Bitcoin. That is my ultimate call. I've been calling that for a long time now. So we did get down to the 18,000. I've made a lot of calls on this way down, gap fills, things like that, and all of them have been pretty good. Took a little while for some of them, but that is trading. Market doesn't want to do what it does all the time. Gold. Gold is very bearish looking. I actually thought gold might get a bid, but now they might start selling everything, right? Quadruple bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I come to your house and I keep knocking on the door, you're going to get mad and eventually open the door. I feel like the same thing is going to happen with gold. And if they start selling gold, that might be a precursor to where they're selling everything, S&P futures, NASDAQ stocks, and that might be the move we need to the new lows. Same exact thing with silver. Instead of quadruple bottom, we had 1 here, 2, 3, 4. What happened? Relentless selling, right? Same thing might be in store for gold, right? So just something to be aware of. Silver, man, we might get into the 14s on silver. My buddy Shay, I know he watches these. I know you're silver, you love your silver, but I've been telling you for a long time it's going lower. So I hate to say it, but I think 13 to 14 is on the books potentially for silver, but we will see. And then finally, let's take a look at Apple. Apple, nice reversal, bounced off this trend line, and guess what? We lose the 200. I think we lose all this, and that helps the market go lower too. So if Apple gets below 155, be careful. Problem 147, the point of control. All we need to really do, let's clean this up. Just grab a regular Fibonacci from low to high, and this tool will pretty much tell you everything you ever need of where to enter or exit trades. 61.8 matches up exactly with our point of control from this leg. Oh, isn't it amazing how these trades all match up over and over and over? So yeah, people say trading is random. I will highly disagree. I do not think it's random because things are too perfect and they happen over and over. So with that being said, you guys all have a great Labor Day weekend. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the weekly trade zones. $99 lifetime subscription, amazing deal. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.